Hi guys, this video is on how to determine or justify that a specific point is on a specific circle. So I'm going to do two quick examples, and I'm in the Unit 5 Topic 1 Equations of Circles practice, and I'm going to go to number 25. Alright, so my directions say for the following questions, given the equation of a circle, here's my equation, and a point, my point is here, justify if that point is on the circle. So my point, of course, has x and y coordinates, and all I need to do is substitute those coordinates into my equation and check to see if my equation is true or false. So I'm going to substitute my x value in my -9 in for x in my equation, and I'm going to substitute the 11 in for y in my equation. And I'm going to write down on my paper first the substitution. Alright, so I need to go ahead and check that in my calculator to see if that's a true or false equation. And of course, I'm just typing it in exactly the way that it appears on my paper. There we go. Is equal to 81, and I hit enter, and the calculator tells me that this is true. So on my paper, I'm going to go ahead and write true. I can even put a little check mark to show that I did in fact check it. And what this tells us is that, yes, the point -911 is on the circle. Okay? If I were using one of the older calculators, the TI-84 Plus, if you have that at home and you are trying to do these questions, all you need to do different is just type in the left side of your equation. So you're going to type in this portion over here and just check to see if the calculator tells you it's equal to 81 or not. So really quick, alright, so there's just the left side of my equation. Hitting enter, I do get 81. So my left side of my equation is evaluates to 81, and that's equal to 81, so my equation is still true. Alright, let's look at number 26. Same idea. I have an equation here. I have a point. My point has an x and y value. So I'm going to substitute 0 in for x, and I'm going to substitute 11 in for y in my equation. And I always put, even if it's just one number that I'm substituting in, I still am going to put that in parentheses. Okay, so here we're going to go ahead and check and type that in our calculator. And notice I'm typing those parentheses around the 0 as well. That's going to be really important. If I were substituting in a negative number, those parentheses would be really important. Okay, and this one is false. So I'm going to go ahead and write false on my paper. So this tells me that no, the point 011 is not on the circle. And that's it.